So, welcome in this session. It is going to be a wonderful session. I welcome all of you so that we can discuss much about how to generate and how can we generate the images. First, what I would like to say us, we are promising to generate something good for you and you're going to like it. So today is going to be how to generate an image using ChatGPT. That is what we're going to be looking at and what you need before you generate an image. So first, before you generate an image, what you are required to have is to open your ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, what you need a prompt. We call it a prompt. And what is this prompt? So a prompt is a command you give to an AI to get a specific result. So if you give a bad prompt, you're going to make a photo that is bad. But if give a good prompt, a better prompt, you're going to get a photo that is clear. So without wasting much time, let us get and learn what we are talking about, what we are doing or what we are going to do today. So let me generate a simple photo of a man at Nairobi. So I'm just going to write a prompt, basically a short prompt, so that it can guide me on how to generate this image. And this image, when you're generating it, it should be who. You need some details. Who are you talking about? Where is the person? What is this person doing? And how is the style? What is the mood of this person? So that you can get a clear prompt of an image. So for my case, I want to generate a realistic photo of a young Kenyan man walking through a busy Nairobi street on a sunset day, wearing a casual clothes and looking confident with a phone, holding a phone. So let us type the ChatGPT. Generate a realistic photo of a young Kenyan man walking through a busy Nairobi street on a sunset day, wearing casual clothes and looking confident, holding a phone. So I want to generate this image, but because I need ChatGPT to give me a better prompt, I will tell ChatGPT act as a prompt engineer and optimize the best way to get my results. Then I click OK. So let us wait and see so that it can give us the prompt. Then after getting the prompt, I'm going to copy the prompt. So let us see. Here is our prompt. So the prompt is saying that a realistic photo of a Kenyan man walking confidently through a busy Nairobi street during golden sunset. He is wearing casual urban clothes, slim fit jeans, white sneakers, and stylish t-shirt, holding a smartphone in one hand, looking focused and empowered. The background shows Nairobi street life with matatus, vendors, pedestrians, a high-rise building glowing under the warm evening sun. Natural lighting, cinematic tone, high resolution, street photography style, realistic human skin texture, Nairobi city vibe. So you can see that this prompt, what I wrote, is something different. When you look at what I wrote, it's just a short prompt that I give ChatGPT, but because I needed something good, it is giving me this prompt. It has indicated the sneakers, the jeans, so everything that I needed. Then down here, we are having pro tips to maximize realism. Something to be realistic, specific lighting, mood, golden sunrise. It has given me that defining clothing expression, looks Kenyan, modern, confident, then out authentic background detail, matatus, vendors. It has already added for me. So what I'm going to do is to copy the prompt. So you select the prompt. I can copy the prompt. Then after you have copied the prompt, I come and paste. I paste the prompt, then I correct so that it can give you something good. You correct, you remove the quotation marks, then I hit enter to generate. So I write generate the image, then you hit enter. So it is generating this image. Okay, let us just give it a minute. There are a lot of people creating images right now, so let us just give it a minute. Give it a minute. The prompts, so you can look on how to set this prompt, and when you have a better prompt, you'll get something good. You'll have something good. You'll get something good. And we have several platform or several tools that you need to understand apart from this ChatGPT. This is just an AI brain that helps you to write your prompt. Then we have AI generating images. You can use Canva, you can use DLE, you can use Midjourney, you can use Bing Image, you can use FreePic. Those are areas that you can use to generate images. So if you need to write a prompt, a good prompt, you write using ChatGPT. Then you transfer that prompt to another platform for you to generate an image. It's not a must you use ChatGPT, but you can use other professional generating images. So if it is a professional flyer you need to generate, if it is a professional document that you need to generate using this, you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is there to help you simplify your work. It is there to help you simplify your work. So it is easy for you to do these things. It is easy for you when you are using ChatGPT. What you only need, you need a smartphone, you need our internet connection, either that is the data, or you can use your Wi-Fi to get these images. And when you are generating these images, you must paste the prompt into your AI generating image. So after generating the prompt, you can copy it. After copying it, you get and paste in the AI generating image. I think our image is clear. So this is what we get from, this is what we can get from our image. This is just what I have using ChatGPT. Download it and save it. You can download it and save it. This is just a normal one that I have just using ChatGPT. But for you to get a better result, your prompt should be clear, simple, and specific with the tone, the mood, the color, everything that you include, the background, the resolution of the photo, everything that you need to include in that photo, you must write in the prompt for you to get a better result. Thank you very much for your time for today. So in our next lesson, I will be showing you how to write this prompt and on how to ensure that your prompt are good and ensure that your prompt are basically something simple for you to generate using ChatGPT. So for now, stay safe, stay creative, stay curious. I am Samson, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.